Hi, I'm Shania and today we are going to make a citrus vinaigrette dressing. Let's go start with 4 tablespoons orange juice, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Then we have 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinaigrette, 1 teaspoon dry mustard, black pepper, a pinch of salt. Let's go whisk all together. And your citrus vinaigrette dressing is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.